All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's work under the assumption that your poster is complete. Okay, so obviously what you see in front of you is not done, but I know that people are finishing up today, so I want to take them on to the next step and show them how to submit their finished work. All right, so as it says on the main assignment page, you will be submitting through Padlet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that link to take me to the Padlet page. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my assignment and I'm going to click just on my finished poster. Okay, so clicking just on my finished poster, so only on slide 6, I can see that it's highlighted yellow, so I know that that is the slide that I'm working with. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Download. And I'm going to go down to Download PNG, which will be just that current slide, slide number 6. Now, when it downloads, it's going to save it as the same name as what is up in my file name in the top left-hand corner. So I don't need to make any changes to the file name at all. Now I'm going to go back to my Padlet page, and I'm going to click on the little red circle down below here. And what we want to do is we want to upload something. So before I do anything else, I'm going to put the title, which is and everybody's going to have the same title, Principles. And then I'm going to put my name. Okay, and then I'm going to upload. I'm going to pick a file. Here's my file here. And I'm going to open. So that is it. That's how we submit this assignment. Once it's been submitted, then you are done and ready to move on to the next activity.